Okay, so back at the start of last year, I was looking to whimsify my wardrobe, and I came across this creator on Instagram, and I absolutely fell in love with what they were offering. I am a big, comfy sweater, cozy type of person. And after scrolling through their stuff, I realized I needed to own something from their shop. The reason for that is one, they upcycle old blankets and turn them into awesome garments. And two, everything that they make is something that I want in my wardrobe. So I was scrolling through their stuff and I'm like, nothing really is calling to me as like, I need to have this. Until March 5th, 2024, when I saw this post. The color alone said it was mine. I am a turquoise girly. I love that dark greeny bluey color. I used to have that in my hair. I own different pieces that is that color. This was my thing. Unfortunately though, at that time it was not in my price range. So I waited and waited, and the months went by. And lo and behold, 2025 rolls around and I see this beautiful cloak once more. And I'm like, you know what? I'm going to get it. And it arrived last night. So, let's open this up, shall we? So if you're curious, hi sweetheart, no thank you. If you're curious, the creator is The Magic Wardrobe, and I will put their information down below for you to find their store, their YouTube channel where they make videos about upcycling and thrifting outfits, and I will also put their Instagram down below. I know it has new smells, but please, I would like to film. I would like to film. You can, hey, look. Check that out instead. Can you check out that bag instead? Thank you. Okay. So let's just open this up and see what it looks like. So they gave me a little card, spot clean and hand wash in lukewarm water for best long-term results. I will be keeping this away from my cats because it is a very soft knitted fabric which my cats will want to eat. Or, you know, nest in. Oh, there's the hood. So here's the hood. Here's the part that wraps around the shoulders, and then it's got these fun little tassels down below. They used a zigzag stitch on it. Athens, no, you're not going to ruin this for me. Thank you. So it looks structurally sound and really nice quality. They have a nice place, nice strip here to support the neck. And of course, they have a lovely tag on the inside. So let's put this on. Already I feel like I'm cooking in it. It's very warm. But this is soft and not for you, Argo. Soft and warm, and I am looking forward to showing you what it looks like outside. So here we go.